All right, so in this video, I'm gonna go over 3 of the benefits you can experience from doing prolonged fasting. Now, prolonged fasting is not a dinky fast. This is where you go 48 to 72 hours without eating anything. You can drink water, but no food. Now, one of the benefits is you trigger something called autophagy. This is actually the recycling of old, damaged proteins, damaged cells, and the renewing of them, right? So now you have more energy. You notice that your skin is brighter, you're glowing, right? Your body just functions at a better, at an optimal level when you trigger autophagy. The second benefit is now you're also gonna notice that you don't need much sleep, which is one of the greatest benefits of prolonged fasting because your body's not digesting food all the time, right? That happens with a lot of people. You ever realize when you eat, you wake up and you feel like you didn't sleep enough? That's because your body was digesting. So you can function off of less sleep when you do prolonged fasting. And the third benefit is you can focus on your work. You're not eating all the time. You're not thinking about food because we spend a lot of time thinking about food, going to the food, then preparing the food, and then eating the food. So when you do prolonged fasting, you can just work.